And I was blown away the other day. I was watching a Reuters interview with Dave Mackay, CEO of RBC, and the whole conversation was about blockchain and AI. And it was not a scripted conversation. It was top of mind, where he sees the value, how it's going to affect his business, what happens when like Google or Amazon decide to become banks, and how he's positioning the company to be ready for those types of challenges that are going to quickly affect him. And to me, it was not the fact that he was using those terms; it was how quickly he was able to adapt and engage in the conversation. Because to me, those are things that are top of mind at RBC right now, and that's foundational.
They have to be top of mind to every company.
Yeah.
I mean, fundamentally going forward, I don't think it matters what industry you're in. I don't think it matters what your role in an organization. Every company is going to be a technology-enabled company. It means companies will redefine themselves as technology companies in financial services, in mining, in software. I think in software, perhaps we already think like technology companies that run businesses. In other industries, I think we're starting to change that mindset that really our companies are technology companies, which means it's not only the CIO, it is the CEO, it's the CFO that needs to be thinking about how they apply AI, blockchain in their businesses.
It's not the problem you're trying to solve because you're looking backwards. It's actually what's the opportunity that's totally different. Example at Tridel was the price optimization of condos. We know what we're selling at. We know how fast they're selling it. Why can't we get a predictive model, optimize our price level like an airline ticket? And I'd been at that for like 15 years. And what's interesting was a professor at U of T, his name's Chi-Gun Lee, and he was working with this on me. And he never let the problem go. I kept throwing him a data set, and he'd come back with another thing. Throw him a data set, and now he actually ended up coming with the advances in the technology, applied machine learning to the pricing model. And then what he did is he applied it to the whole MLS database. And now he's able to come out with a favorability index across the city to a high degree of predictability. But this is what I think we need to kind of think about. What's beyond what we're thinking? Like that's why, again, like we need to hear these creative stories of what's something different that someone did and break our conventional thinking. Because the problem that we were going to solve is what's going to kill our business.
At the operations, we've got a vast amount of opportunity for what we're referring to as AI, in terms of the wealth of data that we're collecting and the resources, all the mobile equipment moving around and so forth. Because traditionally, IT has not been involved in operational core efficiency around technology, especially in mining. But there's a change taking place, and the last 2 years I've seen probably the most amount of change take place in this industry, probably for the last 50.